Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Starting the day with a collagen coffee. This is just regular Keurig coffee, and I like to add a tablespoon of collagen in the coffee. This is getting back to me hitting the gym hard. I want my joints and everything lubricated the proper way, so adding this collagen definitely helps that. And it also helps with the elasticity of the skin while you're in the weight loss phase. Tablespoon of sugar-free caramel macchiato creamer, International Delight. It's my absolute favorite one. It's not watery, it's nice and creamy. So going to have this about an hour before breakfast. Here is breakfast. 1 baby cucumber, a couple little strawberries, one of those sandwich thins. We have 1 egg and 2 egg whites, spinach and mushrooms sauteed in a skillet. I feel like this balanced breakfast will set me up for success at the gym. We got our healthy carb, we got our protein, we got our veggies, we got a little bit of sugar from the strawberries. So this will give me some really good long-lasting energy to work out with. And as you can see, the strawberries are small. They don't look like those big GMO strawberries. In nature, strawberries are very small. They're not large. So remember that next time you're buying a pack of strawberries.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you.
Out for the daily walk, wearing a hoodie, workout pants, Adidas. Got my Ray-Bans on because the sun is out, but boy, oh boy, is it cold. It's only in the 30s. Freezing. Heading to the gym shortly. Let me tell you something about that protein coffee. If you have never made that, please try it. Whether or not you use the Premier Protein Shake, an Optavia shake, whatever shake, any protein powder, it's good. Delicious. And that caramel flavor, oh my God, so good. Gives me energy, makes me feel alive and ready to hit the gym. So let's go do it.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
All right, 30 something minutes on cardio and 35 minutes weight training. I did body circuit, so I did every muscle group today. 4 rounds. You're only supposed to do 3 technically, but I did 4 and I'm feeling freaking amazing. Went through a whole one of these and filled it up about halfway. I bought a water bottle and poured it in, so about almost 60 ounces of water. And yeah, guys, woo! So let's go home. We'll make a post-workout meal. And what else are we gonna do today? I don't even know. It's like a free day. I have no shopping to do. My house is clean. I walk the dogs. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe we'll get out and do something. I'm not really sure. But I feel really good. And I did the workout today actually backwards. I usually do weights first, then cardio, so I have enough stamina for weights. But for some reason, I wanted to do the elliptical first just to get my muscles warmed up and stretched. And I feel really good. So I think tomorrow when I go, we'll do weights first, and then we'll end with elliptical or treadmill or bike or who knows what. Maybe we'll take a class. All right, post-workout meal, I have half of a pita bread, the ones that I showed you the other day that I got from Aldi. Those are the fast-acting carbohydrates that you need after weight training. I have ground turkey, cauliflower rice, some multicolored sweet baby peppers, and 2 tablespoons of that queso cheese sauce. Again, the item I showed you in the Aldi grocery haul. Guys, this is the perfect meal. This is going to help me refill that glycogen store and feed those muscles. Stopped at Aldi just to pick up some more food, and I ran into this little beauty here, some sliced chicken breast. I thought this would be a great roll-up idea with a little bit of cream cheese and some cucumber. Picked up this pack of chicken, going to be making a good recipe with it this weekend. Grabbed 2 packages of the 93% lean ground turkey that I've been enjoying. A bag of hash browns. Don't know if I'll be eating it, but it's a great way to get in a little bit of potato should I desire. 2 packages of salmon, which I can't wait to have. Some pecans for some healthy fats. Olive oil cooking spray. A little bit of pecorino and Romano cheese, which is, oh, I love this stuff. It's so good. I usually buy it in a round container, but decided to grab that one. Here's the tomato sauce I've been using. It's very similar to Rayo's. A jar of olives for my salads. Here's the queso that I've been buying, and I love it. And I decided to try this. Have any of you had this before? If you had, let me know in the comments below. Dill dip. I don't know. I thought this might be nice on some chicken also, or dabbed on that chicken breast that I got, the sliced deli meat. Sounds good, right? Monterey Jack, Colby Jack, and 2 logs of fresh Mott's. And then I got some veggies and produce. Let me show you what I got from that section of Aldi because their prices just cannot be beat. Some more of those mini peppers that I've been eating every single day. Got some green grapes. Have to be careful with those because you can overdo them very easily. More strawberries because I'm almost done with the package that I have. 2 containers of white button mushrooms, and I think that was about it. So these are just some more staples of food that I picked up and wanted to share with you. So hope you enjoyed this little grocery haul. All right, guys, so as you can see, I am in pajamas. Showered and put on a pair of pajamas, and I am going to sit and watch the new Love is Blind series on Netflix. I love that show. And I haven't even eaten dinner yet. I'm just not hungry. Today has been those 2 meals that I ate today, plus the protein coffee. I feel like I'm good. If I'm hungry later, maybe I'll have a little bit of yogurt with some berries or something. But it's a little after 5 right now. I just don't have an appetite. It has been a day of activity, walking the dogs, going to the gym, running to the store again, and just... I feel great. I really feel good. So I'm happy to share with you. And I think this little eating with the Whole Foods and such is going to take a little bit of a twist because I am going to start counting my calories and macros and things. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be doing that, what app I'm going to be using and all of those things. I just want to make sure that I'm getting enough in a day, or also make sure that I'm not going overboard. I just want to stay in my good range so that I can have a consistent weight loss week by week. Okay? So that's coming tomorrow. And I will end the video as always. We can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. Me and you and me. 2023 is our year. Make it a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you guys. Bye.